let's make a party snack that doesn't require any cooking or baking, comes with a cute appearance, and it will be a hit in your next party. This easy appetizer requires just a few ingredients, which are laid on my table here. It's very easy, and you can change the ingredients according to your taste. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bubli's World Cuisine. And now let's get started. For the appetizer, I'm taking some black olives and try to get the bigger ones. That will be much better. Make a long cut on one side of the olive. It should look something like that. Now take one slice of salami and fold it gently like this. Now tuck it into the olive, and a cute mini party food is already done when you do that. You can serve it just as it is, as a cute mini party food, or we can make it even better. If you have more time on hand, we can further decorate it. Otherwise, these are really cute as party snack. Here I have some salted cheesy biscuits. These are Ritz. I'm gonna use them as the base. So first, I'm going to lay all of my crackers into my serving dish. It's so easy that you can literally do it on your serving dish. Okay, now once they are all laid, I'm going to put some spread. Here I have some pesto, which is store-bought. I didn't make them, which makes it really easy. And now you place the bow on top, and your party food is all ready. For more party appetizers and other cooking and baking video, please consider subscribing. I post every day, and you can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok.